हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड वेलकम बैक टू येट अनदर व्लॉग। मैं जब ये गाड़ी में बैठ के आपको बोलती हूँ तो आपको लग ही जाता होगा कि ये पक्का कहीं फिर से जा रही है। बट व्हाट कैन आई डू, इतना अच्छा मौसम देख के आई कैन जस्ट स्टे एट होम, राइट? सो वी आर गोइंग टू द नायगरा फॉल्स, ये अगेन। मैं पहले एक बार जा चुकी हूँ, मैंने व्लॉग भी किया था बट एडिट करने का टाइम नहीं मिला। आई हैव द फुटेज टिल नाउ, मैं पक्का उसे एडिट करके भी जल्दी डालूंगी। दिस इज नॉट गोना बी जस्ट अ डे ट्रिप, हम लोग वहाँ पे स्टे करने वाले हैं एंड यू विल गेट टू नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट वंस वी रीच देयर। और अभी हम लोगों ने जस्ट अपना थोड़ा सा ब्रेकफास्ट किया है। आई मेड सम corn and spinach sandwich and of course we have to have our timmies. You wanna say hello?
Hello.
Hi guys.
Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me.
Look guys, my new sunglasses. It's nice, right? How cool. You haven't seen anything like this before. This is what happens when you don't have power sunglasses. First wear your glasses and then ta-da!
Still be dialing your number 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you.
At this point we were just one lane away from US and this was the last exit. Imagine just one wrong turn and you end up somewhere else.
Your destination is on the right.
293.
Okay, we have reached.
24/7 when I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Nothing.
So finally we have reached here to our beautiful stay in Niagara. So come along, I'll show you inside. सबसे पहले I wanna let you know, जिसका भी ये Airbnb है, that guy loves plants. तो आपको बहुत सारे plants दिखने वाले हैं यहाँ पे, starting from here itself. It gives you a very nice vibe actually. मुझे भी इतने सारे plants देख के अब मन हो रहा है कि मैं भी कुछ लेके आऊँ घर पे. So let's get in. I was so happy once I entered this place. इतना cute और इतनी सुंदर है ये जगह. This place is small but इतने अच्छे से जगह maintain किया है. You'll just fall in love with this. And as you see here, there are a lot of plants. And some are here too. बहुत अच्छी light भी आ रही है यहाँ से. Just look at my face. Who needs a ring light when you have this? So this is the living area. Everything is organized in such a beautiful way here. They have a piano too.
Feels as good as you do. If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that it don't get.
If you notice, there are a lot of snake plants here. They are really good in purifying the air inside, and I have noticed there are quite a few here. This one is the washroom and this is the bedroom. Simple and really sweet. This washroom also smells so good. And that is it. Small and cute, simple Airbnb. So we'll be here for 2 days in Niagara and this is the stay for our first day. कल हम लोग कहीं और रुकने वाले हैं. The weather is actually good outside. So आज का प्लान हमारा ये है कि now we are going to a winery nearby. Niagara is actually famous for its wineries and this is gonna be my first visit to a winery. इससे पहले मैं कभी गई नहीं. So let's see how it's gonna be.
Nothing feels as good as you do. If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that it don't get so bad. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7.
Look at this place, guys. So this is the vineyard, I guess. It's really beautiful, guys. Oh my god, really good.
When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you look better.
So we are just waiting here for someone to come to start the tour. Tab tak they have asked us to wait here. The weather is really good today, guys. Very good. It's sunny और ऊपर से हवा भी आ रही है थोड़ी थोड़ी, तो अच्छा लग रहा है. Let's click some pictures till then.
We're an estate winery, which means, you know, from harvest to bottling the wine, labeling the wine, everything does happen on property, which is something I didn't know either. I thought, oh, estate is a fancy word attached to the title of a winery, but no, it does have meaning. So any winery you visit that has the word estate on it, 9 times out of 10 will have their own production, everything. But our biggest pest in the area is birds, which is not a huge deal, but birds like the grapes. I had a lady from British Columbia visit saying that bears were their biggest pest. She works at a winery in like the Okanagan Valley, and she said that one fall there was a few bears that they were, say, picking on the Vidal grapes, and then they made their way to Chardonnay and Riesling.
Oh.
And once they made it to the row of Merlot, the bears swept the whole row of Merlot grapes. So bears have good taste in wine, but they also didn't get any Merlot that year.
That's bad.
So like water and oil, they never mix. We just have some minerals kind of filing through here, so the wine is kind of filtering itself out, and then the remaining debris that we collected from there, compost, will come through here, and we'll actually just take it and toss it back into the soil, into our vineyard.
Sweet.
This is what we see in movies, you know, where the wine is sold.
Yeah. Yeah, so here, like, I know before COVID they hosted weddings.
The reason for ice wine being famous is because it's only harvested during winters, and the major fact is it takes 1 drop per grape to make this wine, which means 1 drop of this wine comes from 1 grape. Now we were being asked to guess the amount of grapes that's required to make 1 bottle of ice wine.
That would be our whole vineyard, probably.
10,000.
Roughly 6,500 grapes to fill 1 bottle. So that's why ice wine does tend to be more money on the shelf. Opened ice wine. Oh, we'll just finish the bottle. Sure.
Cheers to ice wine.
Which is from like fresh, like Ontario.
How is it? अच्छा लगा? Let's try it then. It's really good.
Gonna be real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you look better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions.
So we are just taking a stroll in this vineyard, and see this, guys. This little thing here will become ultimately grapes. So cute. Fascinating, seriously. He went all the way to the end.
Take it faster than a heartbeat. If I caught a glance, I'd run to you like nobody was watching. But it's so hard to get to you. 'Cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so far.
So guys, now we are in the town of Niagara on the lake. तो ये टाउन नायग्रा फॉल से अप्रॉक्स 25 मिनट्स दूर है शायद. तो हम लोगों ने बस सोचा कि लेट्स कम हियर एंड सी कि यहाँ पे हाउ इज़ द वाइब एंड ऑल. हम लोग कुछ शॉप्स में गए थे यहाँ पे. वी हैड आवर फेवरेट बटर टार्ट ऑल्सो आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग. लास्ट मैंने पोर्ट होप में खाया था व्हेन आई वेंट टू माई लास्ट मीटअप. एंड स्पेशली इफ़ यू वांट टू ट्राई बटर टार्ट्स, ट्राई द पीकन बटर टार्ट. दे आर जस्ट अमेजिंग. It was really fresh actually. यहीं पे है वो bakery. If you wanna try, I'll try to find the name and put it in the description if you're interested. So बस यहाँ पे थोड़ा और घूम के we'll head back to our Airbnb, our sweet Airbnb. Guys, you have to see this. What I found. Just look at this.
Thousands of dollars just to be near. Countless thoughts of you being here. Oh, I wish it wasn't so hard. But maybe one day.
So it's 9 PM now and थक तो बहुत ज़्यादा चुके हैं but we are out again. और क्योंकि राहुल को फायरवर्क्स देखना है एट द फॉल्स, नायगरा फॉल्स एक्चुअली, तो बस हम वहीं जा रहे हैं. सो व्हाट वी हैव हर्ड हियर इज़ दैट फायरवर्क्स यहाँ पे रोज़ होते हैं एट 10 PM. सो आई थिंक सो विल मेक इट ऑन टाइम. लेट्स सी. इट्स ऑलरेडी 9:30 गाइस एंड वी हैव टू वॉक फॉर 20 minutes टू सी द फायरवर्क्स. राहुल मिस हो गया तो
हो गया, क्या करेगा, बट ज़्यादा टाइम तो दिखा नहीं रहा.
Guys, it's 9:40 and we made it finally on time or before time. Sorry. Just waiting. So this one is the US side, which is all lit up in multicolor, and this side is the Canadian one. We'll go little close later after the fireworks, and we are not sure कि कहाँ होने वाले हैं फायरवर्क्स, बट वी आर जस्ट स्टैंडिंग इन मिडल सो दैट जहाँ भी हो हमें एक प्रॉपर व्यू मिल जाए.
Break the distance.
Hey miss, can I get your name? And last name ain't pain, but I'll buy you a drink.